My name's Debbie Paternoster and I live in Cache Creek. The way power prices are nowadays, and I'm trying to be more environmentally friendly, and we thought we'd give it a try. We've been talking about it for the last 10 years, and we saw an advertisement for Riverside that had just done some commercial buildings in the area and offering a free estimate, so we thought we'd give it a try and see what they came out with. It was fantastic. The communication was fast and easy. They answered all of our questions and concerns. Didn't feel any pressure to go ahead with it. They left us all the information, and after my husband and I discussed all of the options, it just seemed like the perfect and proper thing to do, so we went ahead with it. And from the beginning of getting the estimate and getting the job done, it was not even 2 weeks. Well, the staff is fantastic. They explain everything in simple terms. They are quick to respond, friendly, sense of humor, and I just felt I trusted them all. They're just good people to work with. Thank you, Riverside, for doing a fantastic job.
Hey, it's Lee from Riverside Energy. Are you interested in going solar like Debbie? Click the link in the description.